Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy back again here with another video. Now nature can make and create some wonderful things from even just base things. Somehow there's something just truly amazing about seeing rainfall, sunlight in the west. It's really late in the evening, sun setting in the west right now. So water plus sun rays equal, look at that, a rainbow. It truly is amazing to see. That cloud right there isn't together, so the rainbow's not really coming together. But it was earlier. So one of nature's creations or combinations of water and light. I'm pretty sure this is a good sign that spring's here. Seeing a rainbow. I wonder if I'll find that pot of gold over there. Just kidding. So if you enjoyed this video, enjoyed this rainbow, give me a big thumbs up and hit like. Now if you're new to my channel, you can hit subscribe to check out the latest content from me. Now as the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. One person can help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. Alright guys, until the next video for me, it's your P friend, your creation friend, and your Canadian friend, Creative Redundancy. See you. Peace out.